Alright, welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial of an express version of how to do some highlights on your closure. So today we'll be using the CraftedQueens collection closure. This is a 4x4 20-inch straight closure. This is how the hair comes. It is naturally pre-plucked. You can't even see the knots on it. I mean, bruh. And it hasn't been bleached. Like the the lace does not come bleached. This is legit how it looks like. Alright. Material is stretchy, so it is Swiss lace. Relax, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna do some an express version of highlights. So I'm gonna be using my canvas blockhead. I'm gonna lightly place the closure. I was gonna say frontal. And I'm gonna be using these T-pins to hold the closure down, okay? I'm just gonna mainly apply onto the bands. All right, so this is the closure. Legit, it looks like this. So sometimes I don't bleach the knots. Just cause okay, when you know your clients, you know your clients. And you be like, sis, first you come with patches with the bleach knots. I want you to save your money. So sometimes I either put makeup on it or I legit melt the lace down. Because, bruh. That's all I gotta say. I'm sorry, because you guys are gonna see my double chin and my slim chin. Got law of attraction. Y'all gotta speak positive towards your body, you feel me? So yeah. Today I'll be using, since this is an express service, I'll be using the Kiss Lift Up powder lightener. It was $1.99. I had to get it. And I just needed a pack. And then I'm gonna be using the CLAIROL Professional Pure White Developer in volume number 40. So I'm gonna go ahead and please make sure you're wearing gloves if you ain't used to wearing color. I'm at doing color. Yeah. All right, now to the coloring. Here is, see Logan in the background. So we're gonna use this first little patch right here. Disregard my foils. I have foils. I have aluminum foil that you cook with. So I'm gonna fold. And tuck underneath the hair like so. So this is how I'll be holding it. I'm just gonna be grabbing, let me put this closer. I'll just be grabbing the powder just a little bit, and I'm gonna just lightly brush it onto the hair. Don't be rough with it, but make sure you're saturated with your product. Don't be cheap. It's a lot. Make sure too, with here, I'm not bleaching the top, because what I'm gonna do once I'm done bleaching the rest of the hair is I'm gonna lightly feather it upwards. All right, get some of the powder. Well, I guess you gotta make it sit. What's this lit? Saturation, y'all. Make sure it is saturated. This is what you want. I don't want to see nothing. And you're like, Savannah, my foil, my hair's lifting. All you gotta do is lift the hair up, and you pat it this way, and it will be saturated. Get product, swizzle, swizzle. And like I said again, please make sure you're wearing gloves while doing this. Gonna grab product, and I'm gonna lightly dust it. What if I turn off this ring light? Okay. I'm gonna lightly dust it on top. so it doesn't give that harsh line. I hate the harsh line. It looks so disgusting. I feel as if it's unnatural. And it's so sad that we used to do that. Like when ombres were introduced, it was always that harsh line. Oops. So, boom. Add a little bit just for security, y'all boys. Just for security. And it's already lifting this hair. This hair is amazing. Alright. Just play around with it. Just a little bit. And what the aluminum foil does, it just helps trap in the heat. So with the heat being trapped, you don't have to worry about the hair lift, like, oh my gosh, it's taking forever to lift. The aluminum foil is there for that. So you're just gonna grab it, fold it. Just on my coloring one, but I'll just use it. Fold it and let it be. Let it be. You're gonna let it sit. So one more highlight up front. Let me tilt the head forward so I can show you guys exactly how I did it. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna make it is it called medium? Yeah. Make it medium, but paper. Okay. The hair away. So this is the hair. And I'm gonna slice it. Guys, I wish you could really freaking see. So this is the parting. I'm gonna slice it paper thin. And this is the portion on top that I'll be coloring. This black portion, I'm leaving it alone. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another foil. Fold it underneath my comb, like so. Tuck it, tuck and pull. And grab product, and I'm gonna start midway, like so. Put the head up. Okay, normally when you're with your actual client, you don't like their head to be certainly down. I'm just putting it hella down just for video purposes. However, you'll prefer their hair to be up. Make sure your head is facing towards something, maybe like towards the mirror, towards anything that's like midpoint for them. Because with highlights, you do not want it to turn out messy or disgusting, you know? Because highlights could come out really bad. So saturation is key. I'm overly saturating the hair. Okay? Just brushing it downwards. So I get to the bottom. I'm gonna grab product to lift the bottom piece and touch it right here. of blonde goodness that's gonna be on the hair. So I just decided I'm gonna just bleach the knots because just want to do it. I'm gonna show you guys because people has been DMing me. I love the DMs, I love the text messages, but however I would prefer you guys to be more interactive here on YouTube. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, or anything that you guys would like to see, just place it below in the comments. And for those that it's your first time watching my channel, thank you. And you know what you could do? You could scroll right down and see that little red box like that. You're gonna click subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can hear that ding when I release a new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it so legit you can see where I place the foils. So whenever she parts her hair to the side or whatever, it's gonna be legit how she wanted her highlights to look like. Currently, I am going to bleach the knots. Yes, I've decided to bleach the knots. I am using a lot of body to remove the baby hairs from the closure. And then now I'm just lightly brushing the product that I have left over from my bleach mix to bleach the knots. So if you guys haven't watched my video of how to bleach a lace frontal, please check it out. I'll have it below on the description box. And thank you for watching. And all I'm going to do is add product on top. I'm going to use this as a barrier for my hands. And even as a flat board, if that makes any sense. So the highlights could appear from underneath. So I'm going to just grab product and dust it. Alright, so as this thing is like processing, I'm just gonna wait. Wait for like 20-30 minutes, see how it goes. But I'm gonna show you guys, these are not my bundles, FYI. However, this is the hair that I dyed already. It has some highlights and lowlights. I won't have as much time to show you guys what I washed the hair with. I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So to rinse the hair out, I use the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. These are old school. These are known to remove any brassy, orangey, disgusting tones from your hair. So what it does, it just lifts it. It's a temporary solution to remove any brassiness from your hair. So I'm gonna use this shampoo to rinse the hair out, and then I'm gonna use the conditioner, let it sit for at least 5 minutes to lift it as much as it can. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the silicone mix, which is my best friend, handy dandy silicone mix. It's a hair treatment. I use the traditional one. Looks like this. And then my person that I go to get my hair products from sometimes down the street at a beauty supply store, they gave me this keratin thing that works similar to silicone mix, but I use it only on my extensions. I do not use this on my real hair, strictly for my extensions. Especially to reconstruct the hair, I bleached it, I removed it from its natural state, so it's going to need a lot of assistance to let it feel soft and maintain its softness. You feel me? You go. So the hair is processing and it's already lifting. My camera can't pick up as much at the moment because I don't know what light is the good light. Even if I open the window, it's gonna look white. So yeah, it's already lifting. You could pick it up a little bit on the screen, and I'm touching myself with bleach. But it's already lifting. So for sure, I know that it's bleached. So the knots are bleached. So yeah, I use those products. Guess John Kiss is bothering me. I use those products on the closure. I use it on the extensions too to achieve this look, but it's more of a golden look versus an ashy look. And if you guys want to know more about tones, I am down for it. Please stay tuned because I'm going to be posting a new video about toning a 613 hair. So it is a hair from my collection as well, and I'm not going to tell you about it because I'm going to need y'all to watch it. But yeah, so if you guys want to know more about toning hair, just differentiating what type of hair, knowing good quality virgin hair, please let me know below so I could like create some videos, create some series just to help you guys out, especially those who are out in college or those who are entering into the real world and don't have enough money to spend on purchasing bomb hair. I could help you guys out. However, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna do a fast forward video because I've been rambling for like 30 minutes about how to bleach a closure. But if you guys want to get more intel on closures, understanding lace closures, even lace frontals, applying a lace, like this is a 360 lace frontal, y'all. This is a 360 lace closure, okay? I got it in a little bun because I just woke up and I have an appointment and I gotta bleach this, so I didn't just wake up though, for it's like 10:30 or something. But whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my washing video, I guess. Ooh, I'm gonna do that too.